Hello Wobblies, I'm Chris with Wobbly Otter Outdoors, and today we're making Bannock. Bannock is a flatbread. The Bannock recipe we're using comes from Lonnie and Connie of Far North Bushcraft and Survival. We'll put a link to their video where they're making Bannock pockets in the description below. Because our goal is to make a fluffier version of the Bannock, we're going to be adding more water. The only other change we're making to Connie's Bannock recipe is that we also add a teaspoon of sugar. The sugar will give it just a little touch of sweetness. One really nice thing about this Bannock recipe is its versatility. We will often put in some ground black pepper or some Italian seasoning. We have also added pine nuts or sunflower seeds. We've even mixed in blueberries on occasion. In the comments below, let us know what types of bread recipes that you like to make when you're camping or in the outdoors. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you for watching and subscribing to Wobbly Otter Outdoors.